Hi, welcome back. It's the 22nd of October, 2023. My name is Daniel Parsons, and I'm a Prife independent business owner. And we are marketing affiliates located around the world for this wellness company known as Prife International. And I'm going to real quickly go over the different wallets and what you can do with each wallet. And I'm going to show you a commission payout. So let's go right into screen share. And I'm going to log into my account. Every person that buys at least a silver package in Prife International, and there's several different products that you can get an account with Prife International. The newest one is the Diamond Life, and that is a supplement that is sourced from deer antler, and it's taken and made into a powder, and then cordyceps mushroom. And so let me log into my Prife account. Let me update my CAPTCHA because it's been a few seconds since I logged in here. So once you put your CAPTCHA in and your password, you just simply sign in. Now, let me tell you one thing. You'll always get the latest news from the company. And this is Prife 101, Learn the ABCs of Prife International. And so there's a training product highlight. This will actually be this coming. I'm in Washington State, USA, so the same time zone as California Pacific. So for us, it would be late, very early Monday morning after the clock has passed midnight on Sunday night. So that would be 1 a.m. Monday morning, West Coast time. But the corresponding time over in Southeast Asia, at Malaysia, where the company's headquartered, is 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and that's GMT +8 Greenwich time. And so logically, the UK is still on British summertime until the end of October. So right now in Britain, it's 9 a.m. But here's all those time zones. So we want to get rid of this infographic. If you ever want to find those graphics that pop up onto your page when you log in, right here at the bottom menu, info, just click that right there. If you ever have a customer support issue, go to this inquiry button right here. If you ever need to do anything in your back office, like if you've never signed up for direct deposit, just click on setting. And then right down here is this encashment authorization, personal and business detailed. And then this right here will link your bank account and you'll get direct deposit. Now I am going to do, here's all your manuals also for all your products, policies and guidelines. Here's my invoices. And then you can change the language if you want to, your personal detail, edit your password, edit your security password. I set all of that for my customers just because it's so easy for me to do. And they would have a little bit of a struggle trying to navigate all this. It took me a little while to learn it all myself. And so here is your reward button in the center of the bottom menu. And this has your level pairing details. And that way you can make sure you line up. Like if you have a gold on your level 4, you want to find a gold to place on your left side. You've got that gold on level 4. You want to find a gold you can put on your level 4 right, and then you'll get a nice bonus for doing that. And so, and then the navigate is where most of the meat of your back office is, and then the home button is right here. And so I'm going to click this and go over briefly what each one of the wallets does. And so we're going to scroll down to the bottom because they list all of the activities that are going on. I closed my office door to, here we go. I the router for us is in the behind that wall that's behind me in our big walk-in closet on our rental house. And so evidently the router is a little bit slow right now. Normally it's blazing fast. I apologize for this. You never know what's going to happen when you go on live screen share. Okay, so here we go. So you can put a profile picture up. I highly suggest that. I'm a 2-star manager. I joined Prife in January 2022. I'm going to need to pay my normal maintenance fee so I can get all of my extra bonuses. So let's go down here. And so here are your different wallets. Okay, so this week I've got $861.84, and I'll do a payout. It is Sunday. I'm recording this on a Sunday morning. And so you want to always request your bonus wallet after the server updates on Sunday. And that would be corresponding time 5 or 6 in the evening over in Germany, because they're getting ready to fall back an hour. And so once the server updates at Prife International, it's late in the afternoon over in Europe and in the United Kingdom. And then you want to get that done early evening hours on Sunday to get your payouts. And mine have been coming through. They used to arrive by Friday of the coming week, but mine have been showing up here on Tuesdays, which would be corresponding early in the morning on Wednesday over in Asia. So the time that it shows up, it depends, around Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of this coming week. And so right here is all of your commission money. And with your bonus wallet, you have the option of taking a payout to your bank with direct deposit, or if you're wanting to do crypto, you can do that also. I'm not a fan of crypto, and I'm not the person to ask about that. And by the way, if anyone has questions, always go to your sponsor and your upline, because we agree to hold integrity with sponsorship lineage as one of the policies of Prife International. So if you have questions and you're not on my team, I will immediately refer you to your sponsor. So I just have to do that. I'm not allowed to speak with you. Okay, so you can move bonus wallet to your register wallet if you want to, and use those funds to register somebody and buy their product in Prife International. And then you can take a cash payment directly from them if they are in your local area, or they can do something like Zelle you the funds. Zelle is a service that most banks have nowadays, or they could PayPal you the money, or there's many ways to make that happen. So that is a nice feature that you can do, is pay for somebody's product. But you can never send register wallet to the bonus wallet. This bonus wallet is the top of the line, and this is your commission money. So another thing you can do with your register wallet, when you want to do bonus redemption, you see right here, I could go in and redeem a 2.2 model of the Prife Classic blower because I've got enough money to do it. Then I could take some of my register wallet money and pay the stockist to ship my bonus redemption. What this is money that's credited to me, and it's really big, because in my 1 year and almost 10 months at Prife International, I have redeemed, I believe, 4 of the iTerra Pro devices. I've redeemed about 4 of the iTerra Premium devices. I've redeemed at least 50, probably more, of the iTerra Classic devices, and I've sold all of those off for cash in my local market to pay my bills. And so I've also redeemed 2 of the iTerra Bios one that is my own personal use, and one that I was able to sell to a customer. And so this bonus redemption wallet is a huge part of your business. You will need to pay the stockist, and there's a function in your navigate menu that will allow you to transfer money from your register wallet to the stockist to pay for your shipping of all your free product. I just sent one of the stockists $80 and asked them to send me the brand new iTerra Bio Lite, which is a smaller version of the foot massager. And that one was $1,300. And so purchase redemption wallet, this we used quite a bit in early 2022, and we don't so much use this anymore. So I'm not going to really spend any time on that. Anniversary point wallet, this is when you're buying specific products to be able to go to the second anniversary meetings in Thailand. So I'm going to go off of screen share right now, and I'm going to come back, and we're going to go and do a live wallet withdrawal, which I also promised you. And so I'm going to go here to the navigate button. And on navigate, on the bottom left menu, there is a wallet withdrawal. Oh, if you ever make a mistake registering somebody and it's not, let's see, it's getting ready to be the new time when we fall back will be 8 o'clock in the morning Pacific, will be when the servers will be updating for the winter season over in Malaysia. Malaysia never does daylight savings time because they're very close to the equator. So they have about 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of night all year long. So they don't ever do daylight savings. So they never change their, they never have daylight savings in Malaysia. So if you make a mistake and for some reason you need to cancel a sale, you need to do it before 8 o'clock in the morning during the winter season in the USA, Pacific time. It'll be 11 o'clock in the morning on the East Coast. Or if it's the summer season where we have 8 months of daylight savings, you need to cancel the sale before 9 o'clock in the morning Pacific time or noon on the East Coast. Let's say you made a mistake and you need to place somebody to be able to pick up those very sweet $800 to $1,000 plus level pairs when you match 2 diamonds. By all means, go in here and cancel the sale and redo it once you have it set the way you want to do it. But right now, we want to just go up here and do a wallet withdrawal. And so I have 861.84, so we might as well go ahead and just take it all because then that way it's easier accounting. And then we're going to go bank transfer. And when I hit next step, it's getting ready to show all of my personal detail. And I'm going to keep my bank information secure. So once you hit next step, it'll happen. And so once you do that, you can go back and then you'll see your previous wallet withdrawals. And right here, wallet withdrawal status, and it'll show you once it's paid. And so that's pretty simple, my friends. That's the end of this training video today. And to join my team, I've sponsored hundreds of people into Prife International. I have people and doctors and wellness practitioners and naturopathic doctors, and we have just common everyday people that bought the device so that they can get some inflammation reduction and so they can charge their water, and because it does structure the water, the terahertz therapy devices. They are in-home use devices. Oh, right here is a really good place for me to go ahead and make a couple of disclaimers. One, I'm not a medical provider, and the FDA requires me to share that this is just for educational purposes only. Prife International products are in-home therapy devices. Always seek the health and expertise of your local healthcare providers. And we do not treat, diagnose, cure, or prevent any illness. Anytime anybody asks me those questions, I refer them to whoever is their practitioner. So I'm going to make an income disclaimer. People's income ability in Prife International varies. It depends on your efforts. It takes some work. That's why this is a network marketing company. So you earn, I earn small percentages on my team members' volume. And so I am here to help them succeed. And you need to be selective when you choose a sponsor. You need to choose a sponsor that will be available. So I am available. And so, and I've made all my disclaimers. Okay, so we don't treat, diagnose, cure, or prevent any disease or illness. And income earning is variable depending on your skills, talents, and how much you actually put into working. So with that being said, this is the latest training video. You can find out more on my YouTube channel. Daniel Parsons 1 is my handle on YouTube. And the other is my Rumble channel. I have the iNetwork for business training videos on Rumble, and I have iTerracare channel for like testimonials and things like that about the different devices. And so I will be getting the iTerra Bio Lite shortly. I will be getting the Diamond Life supplement shortly, and I will do product videos about those. So until then, God bless you, and I look forward to helping you. And that phone number, 360-383-0265. Pacific time zone weekdays. I'm available to sponsor people all over the world because I have a relationship with the stockist all over the world. So God bless you until the next time. Bye for now.